In this video, we gonna see a new dessert recipe which is pomegranate kesari. In a pan, add 2 spoons of ghee. Add 10 cashews. Add 10 raisin. When nuts are roasted, transfer it to plate. In the same pan, add a cup of rava and roast it. Roast for 2 minutes. In another pan, add 2 cups of pomegranate juice. Once it starts to boil, switch off the flames. Now add the hot pomegranate juice to the roasted rava. Cook for 5 minutes. Once rava cooked well, add 1 cup of sugar. After adding sugar to cooked rava, lumps will be formed. To avoid that, keep stirring. A pinch of salt. Add 2 spoons of ghee. Add again 2 spoons of ghee. Perfect consistency. Add the roasted nuts to kesari. A tasty pomegranate flavored kesari is ready. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.